Good morning, grade 5. My name is Teacher D, and I'll be teaching you science, okay? I hope very soon the school will open so I can meet you personally, all right? Okay, our subject is science, and our topic for science, first lesson, okay? Or do you need to warm up? Okay, maybe you just have to shake your hands. Shake your hands, okay? And some stretching, neck to the left, right, left, right, shake, shake, shake. Are you awake now? I hope so. Okay, so science, our lesson is substances in everyday life, okay? We first start with the vocabulary words. Okay, our vocabulary words are condensation, dissolve, food coloring, rusted, sediment, separate, sublimation, and turbid. Okay, so what are the meaning of those words? It seems like you're not familiar with the words. Do you think it's very hard? Let's make it very easy. Okay, guys, start with condensation. Is the change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase into the liquid phase. Okay, do you know how it does? Okay, I'll give you an example. When you're cooking and the water is boiling, okay, that's the start of the process of condensation, okay? The moist going up and it produce like, can you see on the photo? It produce moist, okay? So the gas, the smoke coming out from the boiling water, it's the gas, okay? And it turns into liquid, okay? That's very easy. Next, dissolve. It's defined as to become broken up or absorbed by something or to disappear into something else, okay? Example, this is a very easy example. Sugar, okay? Sugar, when you put it in water and you stir or you mix using a spoon, the sugar will dissolve, okay? So it will disappear. It will dissolve. It will mix with water. So that is dissolve, okay? Next, food coloring. Okay, I hope everyone is familiar with food coloring. This is a color that you put into liquid. For example, red food color, you mix it with water. It will blend with the water, okay? So food coloring or color additive is any dye, pigment, or substance that imparts color when it is added to food or drink. Okay, example is, for example, a strawberry drink. You will buy strawberry in a bottle and then you will mix it with water. Have you tried that? So it has food coloring, okay? So it will mix in the water and it will be color red, okay? And you can also buy food coloring powder, liquid, anything. So mostly of the food that we're eating, especially with these drinks like strawberry drink, grape drink, it is with food coloring. Next is rusted. It happens to iron and its alloys when it is exposed to air or water for a long time. Just like the photo, it's a nail, it's iron. iron and alloy. So when you put it in water for a long time, it will produce rust. So it will become rusted. Okay. I hope you get that, but we will talk about more of this as we go far with our topics in science. Okay, next is sediment. Is solid material that settles at the bottom of a liquid. Example on the photo. I think this is from a river. And this sediment is like mud that has been stuck for a long time there. So at the bottom of the river, you can see this mud. Okay. Next, separate. Separate means to set apart, to distinguish, or to divide. On the photo, in our photo, rather, you can see the yellow color is oil and the white transparent color is water. So you cannot mix oil with water. So it separates, okay? It separates, it divides, it aparts, okay? So you cannot mix it, so it separates. All right. Next, sublimation. Sublimation is the process of changing from solid to a gas. Look at the photo. Okay, from solid into a gas. So the smoke that produces is gas. The best example of sublimation is, for example, ice. Okay, ice, when it's melted, there's a few smoke going out. Okay, not the ice, the water that you put in the freeze. Okay, but when it melts, it produces a little smoke, and that's the gas from the solid. Okay, though it is also another example when we discuss solid and liquid and gas. Okay, also that's an example for liquid changing to gas, solid changing to gas, or solid changing to liquid. Okay, but as you can see on the photo, this is the best example of sublimation. Look at the smoke. Smoke is gas. Next is turbid. This is cloudy or thick with suspended matter. Okay, can you see? There's a liquid in a glass and there's some, I think there's some dirt inside the glass. So the water is not clear. It's turbid. You call it turbid. When the water is not clear, it's turbid. Okay, I hope you understand that, guys. But if you don't understand very well, aside from reading your books, you can also ask me. Okay, you can ask your mom or dad to send a message to teacher so I can answer all your questions. But for now, let us review our vocabulary words. Okay, ready? You repeat after me. Condensation. Louder. Dissolve. Food coloring. Rusted. Sediment. Separate. Sublimation. And turbid. Okay. I hope you get all those words. Okay. So these are the words. Do not forget this. I prepare a worksheet for you. Okay. So you'll remember the spelling of each vocabulary words. Okay. This is very easy. All right. So there is for number 1. Okay. I'll help you with this. I'll give you one example. There is letter D, O, O, F, O, O, I, C, L, R, and G. What do you think is the answer? Okay. What do you think? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Time is up. Okay. So my answer here is food coloring. Oh, hang on, guys. So the answer here is food coloring. Okay, so what you're going to do is since the answer is food coloring, you have to cross this out, okay? And you have to write food coloring and number 1, okay? So you have to write, oops, I'm having a hard time writing this, huh? Okay, so the answer for number 1 is food coloring. All right, guys, I'm sorry. It's hard. Okay, so I hope you understand that, guys. And so you'll continue from number 2 to number 8. And then number 9 and 10, I want you to write, number 9, I want you to write your full name in English. And on number 10, please write your full name in Thai. Okay, understand? Okay, so that's it for today, and we will continue next time more about science. All right, so I'll leave you with your worksheet. Don't forget to finish your worksheet. And what else? So I don't know when will the school start and when are you coming back in school so I can meet you personally. But please always wear your mask every time you go outside your home. And then when you get home, be sure you wash your hands, okay? Or much better if you shower quickly. So just to avoid the viruses, okay? So keep safe, everyone, and have a nice day. Again, this is Teacher D, your new teacher. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.